little bird. Got my Yale 2 again. So I've wrote on the tag, bird. First hit that time. 15 and then 1. Okay, so that's my first bird. Bumped. And this is my second bird. Same old Yale 2. Okay, it's bumped too. So a pair of birds bumped with this Yale. This is fastly becoming my universal key. It's a lot of them. Also got this one. I'm just going to try it on. Can you see that? This is a diamond. Diamond. It's got the A1 kind of profile. A few clicks there. Eventually, so if you just be a bit persistent, they pop in the end. So that was a diamond, and a pair of birds with the Yale 2. So I've wrote on the extra tag there. So far I've got Royal, Zone, Bird and Diamond, and of course Yale. So I'm just going to keep on writing on there when I come across a new lock that it fits on, that it bumps. That way I'll know. Diamond.